Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix COD Warzone 2.0. This application has unexpectedly stopped working error 0x887A0005. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now for the first fix, we need to go ahead and do a search and type in check for updates, and now go ahead and make sure your Windows has the latest version installed, so we can go ahead and click on check for updates, and yeah, make sure it is up to date. Now for the next fix, we want to go ahead and click on search and type in device manager and click into it. Then from here we need to find display adapters and right click on your display adapter and go ahead and click on update driver. And then from here we need to go ahead and search automatically for drivers and make sure you have the latest version of your drivers up to date. Now for the next step, we need to open up Steam and find your COD game. Now once we're in here, we need to validate our game file, so go to library, and now you got your games here. Right click on COD Warzone 2.0, and now imagine, say if this one is Warzone, if you want to right click onto it, and we need to head into the game properties, and then we need to click on installed files, and from here we need to click on verify integrity of game files, and now let that run its process. So you let that validate your game files, and now once you've completed all these steps, your problem should now be fixed.